AI, it's not some far-off sci-fi thing anymore, right? Especially if you're a web developer. It's here. It's a tool that we're using right now. But, with all the buzz, what does that actually mean for how we build the internet day to day? Let's dive in and really break it down. Okay, so let's just get to the big question, the elephant in the room. I know it's what you're thinking. Is AI going to make my job obsolete, right? It's the thing that keeps developers up at night. I mean, if AI can write code, are we on the way out? It's a totally valid concern. So let's just tackle it head on. And look, the answer is a big fat no. Not even close. AI is not here to replace us. Think of it more like a supercharger for your skills. It's all about automating the boring stuff, the drudgery, the repetitive tasks that just suck the life out of you. And that frees us up to do what we as humans are actually good at, solving the really tough problems and, creating awesome new things. So let's frame it this way. The absolute best way to think about AI is as your new partner, your indispensable co-pilot. Seriously. The AI handles all the pre-flight checks, it navigates the boring, routine parts of the journey, so you, the pilot, can keep your eyes on the horizon, focus on the destination, and be ready to handle whatever crazy turbulence comes your way. All right, so where do we start? Well, let's start at the beginning, right? The creative phase. This is where that little spark of an idea starts to become real code, actual designs you can see. And believe me, from the very first step, AI is completely shaking up how we do things. For years, decades really, developers have wasted so many hours writing what we call boilerplate code. It's just the same basic plumbing over and over for every single project. It's mind-numbing. But now you've got tools like GitHub Copilot. And it's like you just describe what you need in plain English, almost like you're just talking to a coworker, and bam, the AI just does all that heavy lifting for you. Oh man, I can't even tell you how many times I've had to build a simple contact form. It's not hard, but it is so tedious. Now I can literally just type something like, hey, create a React form component with fields for a name, an email, and a message. And poof, it's just done in seconds. That's not just saving time, that's a total game changer. And this is the really important part, okay? This isn't just about being faster. It's about what you do with that extra time. By getting rid of all that monotonous work, you free up your brain power to focus on the stuff that actually matters. Like architecting really elegant systems, or coming up with creative solutions to problems that, honestly, we just didn't have the bandwidth to tackle before. Okay, so the code's getting written way faster. Awesome. But what about the design? The part the user actually sees and clicks on. Well, guess what? AI is totally changing that game too. It's becoming this amazing design assistant. And this is where AI's superpower, just crunching massive amounts of data, really comes into play. It can look at thousands of user sessions on a website and give you real, concrete advice. It's not guessing. It can say, hey, the data shows people can't find the checkout button. You should probably move it over here. See, it's turning design from just, someone's opinion into something based on actual science and data. So think about it. You combine that smarter, faster code with that super insightful, data-driven design. What do you get? You get something pretty incredible. You get a web that feels like it was built just for you. You know that feeling, right? When you land on a website and you're like, wow, this site just gets me. That's it. That's the magic of a personalized user experience. It's not a dead, static page anymore. It's a living, breathing thing that's changing and adapting to you, the visitor, in real time. I mean, the most obvious example is any big e-commerce site. How in the world does it know you're in the market for new running shoes? It feels like magic, but it's not. It's machine learning. The AI has looked at your browsing history, your past purchases, and what millions of other shoppers have done, and it makes this scarily accurate prediction about what you're going to want next. But look, this isn't just about getting you to buy more stuff. This whole ability for AI to understand and predict, it goes way beyond shopping. It's also about getting you instant, smart help right when you need it. You see this everywhere now with chatbots and voice assistants, right? They all run on this tech called natural language processing, or NLP. It sounds complicated, but really it's just a fancy way of saying the AI can understand and speak human. And because of that, you can get 24/7 support that is, actually helpful for once. I mean, who here actually likes waiting on hold? Nobody, right? It's the worst. But with, say, a banking chatbot, I can just type, "What's my checking balance?" And boom, I get a secure answer instantly. It's such a simple thing, but it solves a huge universal frustration, and that makes a massive difference. Okay, so we've used AI to build this amazing personalized website. Great. But how do we keep it running? How do we make sure it stays brilliant and secure and doesn't crash? Well, that's where AI-powered maintenance and testing come in. Yeah, this really shows the difference. For so long, testing was this slow, manual slog. You were basically just hunting for bugs that were already there. But AI just flips that completely on its head. We're not just reacting to problems anymore. We're becoming predictive. The AI can spot these weird, complex patterns and flag an area of the code that's likely to cause a bug down the road before it ever even gets out to the public. And that predictive power, it doesn't just stop with testing. It's actually even more important once the app is live, out in the wild, being used by millions of people. And that's where we get into the world of DevOps. A great way to think of it is like having this tireless 24/7 security guard just for your application. The AI is constantly watching the performance, and if it sees one tiny little anomaly, something that might mean a crash is coming, it alerts the team immediately. And in the coolest, most advanced setups, it can even fix the problem all by itself. No human has to do anything. We call these self-healing systems, and yeah, they are definitely the future. So let's pull back for a second. We've seen how AI is a partner in creating stuff, making it personal, and keeping it safe. But what does this all mean for you? For the person actually sitting at the keyboard? What does the developer of tomorrow even do? Look, this isn't just a small change. It's a full-on revolution. The job of the developer isn't about typing out the same boring code anymore. It's about being an architect, a creative problem solver, a strategist. It's about learning how to use these incredible AI tools to build things that are faster, smarter, and more reliable than we ever could have before. And that brings us right back to where we started. So, are developers obsolete? No way. We're more powerful than ever. With our AI copilots handling all the grunt work, our creative potential is, well, it's pretty much limitless now. The future of web development is here. It's powered by AI. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build with it?